Hello. Welcome to this video where we'll introduce you to TinkerCAD, a powerful and simple 3D design tool that's great for everyone from beginners to more advanced users. So, what is TinkerCAD? It is a 3D design and prototyping program that is part of Autodesk applications. It was formerly known as 123D apps, and it's designed to allow you to create three-dimensional objects easily. It works through Boolean operations, that is, the creation of 3D pieces from the combination or subtraction of basic geometric shapes such as polygons. Although it has certain limitations compared to professional design programs, for 90% of design projects, TinkerCAD is more than enough. In addition, the best of all is that it is a free and online application. You only need to register to access all its functionalities. If you're interested in the world of 3D design, TinkerCAD is perfect for creating objects that can then be exported for 3D printing using additive manufacturing technologies. What features does it have? TinkerCAD has three main modules: 3D design, electronics, and code blocks. Today we will focus on the 3D design module, which is where you can create three-dimensional models in a simple way. Within the Tinker section, in the top bar, you can access the different modules. Next to it, you'll find the gallery, where the TinkerCAD community shares their designs. You can download these models and modify them to suit your projects. In the projects section, TinkerCAD offers you multiple ideas to develop, both for beginners and advanced users. You can filter these projects based on the level of difficulty, the subjects, or the time they have been available online. To facilitate learning, TinkerCAD has the Classroom section, designed specifically for educators who want to implement STEM as science, technology, engineering and mathematics-based projects in their classes. You'll also find a resources section, full of materials to learn how to use all of TinkerCAD's tools. Here you can access the TinkerCAD blog, which offers relevant updates and news. If you're new to the program, the Learning Center is ideal for you, as it has hands-on exercises that teach you everything from the basics to the advanced features of the program. It also offers a variety of design and make skills that users can develop through its platform. Here's an overview of key skills you can learn and practice. In addition, within challenges, you will be able to test your skills with different challenges proposed by the community. And if you are a teacher or tutor, the lesson plans section will be your best ally. Here you'll find ready-to-implement lesson plans in the classroom, making it easy to integrate TinkerCAD into STEM teaching. Are you a fan of Minecraft? TinkerCAD allows you to import Minecraft models to edit them in its editor, and then export them back to Minecraft using MCEdit. This can be a great way to customize your worlds in Minecraft, as you can create your own designs or download models from the TinkerCAD gallery and adapt them. Another advantage of TinkerCAD is its wide compatibility with the most common 3D printing formats. You can export your designs to formats such as STL, OBJ, and SVG, which will allow you to use them in most 3D printers or design programs. This gives you a lot of flexibility to use your creations on different platforms and devices. How to start using TinkerCAD. The first thing we'll do is change the language of the page. To do this, go to the footer, where you will see a list of the available languages on the right side. The TinkerCAD team has translated the platform into 15 different languages. Select the one you prefer and you're done. Now, let's create an account. Go to the www.tinkercad.com website and click on the Sign Up button. To register, you simply need to enter your country of residence and your date of birth. With these steps, you're ready to start designing. The first thing we're going to learn are the basic mouse controls in TinkerCAD, which are very intuitive and will allow you to move around the workspace. To zoom, just move the mouse wheel. With the right button you can rotate the model. And if you click and drag, you can scroll the view. Also, if you hold down the left button, you can make a multiple selection of objects. Now that we've mastered the basic controls, let's look at the control panel, which is where we'll work to create our designs. 1. Workspace. It is the main area where you will design. You can adjust the size of the surface, the grill, and the units of measurement. 2. Object display. Here you have tools to change the view, zoom, adjust the screen, and return to the initial view. 3. Editing parts. In this area you can hide objects, align them, group them or ungroup them. 4. User zone. From here you can import or export files and access more TinkerCAD options. 5. Parts bank. Here you will find all the shapes and tools that you can use to create your models. On top of this bench are the work plane tools and ruler. 6. Editing tools. These include copying, pasting, duplicating, deleting, redoing, undoing, and changing the visibility or license of the file. It's time to start designing. Let's follow some of the learning lessons for our first steps. To start, we're going to place our first object. In the shape panel on the right, select the box. Left-click and drag it to the workspace. To get a better look at the object we just placed, use the display cube in the top left. You can also adjust the view with the zoom, screen adjustment, and view switching tools. Now, let's move the object. Select the box and click the arrow at the top. Touch and hold and drag up or down to move it in space. To rotate the object, select the box and look for the curved rotation handles. Click on them and rotate the object to the desired angle. We're going to rotate it 45 degrees. To resize the box, select and drag the white dots that appear in the corners of the object. This way you can make it bigger or smaller. On the top right you'll find the ruler tool. Place it in the work area to accurately measure and align your objects. Also, if you're working in a team, you can add comments to make the process more collaborative. To group objects, select multiple objects using the Shift key. Then, tap the Group button in the top bar. You can also change the color of objects from the editing options. To create gaps, select a solid shape and a transparent shape. With both selected, click the Group button and you'll see a gap created in the object. To copy an object, use the Copy button in the top bar, or the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V keys. You can also use the Duplicate button to quickly create replicas of an object. And that's it, a complete introduction to TinkerCAD. As you can see, It's a very accessible and versatile tool, whether you want to learn 3D design, work on educational projects, or just have fun creating. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content like this. See you in the next video.